Hi guys, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of November 13th, 2018. As always, the charts in this presentation come from the Trade Navigator software, which Genesis allows us to use. And we're looking at a weekly bond market chart here, which is kind of going sideways for, like a month and a half now. Well, let's do this first. The 138.07 is kind of the middle right here where the green moving average is. Doesn't appear to be either support or resistance. They're kind of either side of it. That makes it seem likely they should go to 139.08, this upper moving average, or possibly down here to 137.04, the lower moving average, or they could do both. The fact that the support and resistance are getting closer together suggests they may be preparing for a directional breakout type move. Those moves are not really predictable in direction necessarily, nor timing, but that's something we might want to watch for. If either 137.04 or 139.08 gets broken substantially in either direction, it could lead to a move that lasts for a few weeks. The momentum indicator would suggest that the move's likely to be to the upside, but they haven't really done anything yet, and that could change drastically before a breakout occurs. So for now, 39.08 up here, 37.04 down there, those are the areas I'll watch this week. Stocks are really kind of fascinating to me. Monday was sort of like a partial holiday because the banks were closed and the bond market was closed, and stocks took a major dumping that day, 600 points down in the Dow, which is what all the news organizations talk about. But if you look at this weekly chart, you can see that huge sell-off basically they only got them right about to where support should be for the week. That level is just below 27.20, 27.19, 18, right in that vicinity. And of course, the volatility makes them a little sloppy. But so far, they've really done no damage despite that big sell-off. And they could be back up to, I guess that's 27.89, 90 right in there at the upper moving average. But I think there's a chance we could see them at 28.27 up here to this target. Now the thing is, even if they break this, if they bust through the 27.19 area here, they could be all the way down here to below 26.50. And that wouldn't necessarily be horribly negative. It would look bad because of the way the momentum indicator has come up and kissed the moving average and turned down. That might make that look a little ugly, like there's the potential for more downside. But just getting that low does not necessarily mean they're in trouble. That is support, and they could certainly bounce off of there and go back up, go sideways, whatever. The point being, this huge sell-off on Monday seemed to scare a lot of the news organizations. But at this point, there's no damage done. And even if they went lower, there wouldn't be much damage done. But now, really no damage done because that green moving average is what should hold if they're going to go up. And so far it has. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something